Well, it's easily abused and has no proven medical benefits.
That is the opinion of the Drug Enforcement Administration. It's in response to a request to declassify marijuana, and it's not sitting well with many here in southern Colorado.
KRDO News Channel 13's Bart Bedsole on this story tonight. And Bart, we're going on 16 years of legal medical use here in Colorado.
James, that's right. Nevertheless, the DEA announced this week that marijuana would remain a Schedule I drug alongside heroin and LSD. But it's what the agency said this week that seems to upset dispensaries and patients the most. Despite thousands of success stories, from reducing seizures in epileptic children to helping veterans overcome their PTSD, marijuana remains illegal under federal law. In a letter to the lawmakers who requested the change this week, the administrator of the DEA wrote, marijuana has a high potential for abuse, has no accepted medical use in the United States, and lacks an acceptable level of safety for use even under medical supervision.
I think it's unfortunate.
Christopher Chavez calls himself a Texas refugee. With his red card now, he can buy cannabis openly and safely. A year ago in San Antonio, he would buy his marijuana on the street to treat his PTSD, anxiety, and back pain.
You know, you never knew what you were going to get. You never knew where it came from. You never knew who grew it, how they grew it, what pesticides they used, what chemicals they used, if there's bugs in it.
He's one of dozens of patients that come to the greenhouse on 8th Street every day.
I've had people going from having anywhere from 5 to 50 seizures a day to 0 for 2, 3, 5 solid years from using cannabis.
Like Chavez, Quattrochi can't understand the federal government's refusal to budge.
It is almost comical in a sense.
But she's thankful that 25 individual states, including Colorado, have now decided not to wait for Washington. In its response, the DEA did open the door for more research on marijuana, and advocates say that is a step in the right direction. Right now on KRDO.com, we have a story about a local veteran and his frustration with the VA over its lack of acceptance of marijuana as a treatment. Live in Colorado Springs, Bart Bedsole, KRDO News Channel 13.
Thanks.